So, three apps that I could use at my new job. The first one I found could be my Fitness Pal. Um, I feel like I'll be using this the most with my clients. Um, Also, Google Calendar. We could set up to where I can share it with them, my clients, and they can see the days that we meet or don't meet and what we're going to be doing. I can create events that they can look at to see what to prepare for and everything like that. And then also Google Docs to write down a plan, a workout plan if I have to for them, or a diet, whatever it calls for. And again, I can share it with them. They can see what I'm typing. They can edit it. They can plug in however much food they eat, calories, or uh, what the workouts that they do can also be on here. They can plug in to my documents. Um, and also, all of these three apps can be downloaded on your phone on the App Store for Apple and Android. And so it'll be really easy to access on your cell phone.